Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I will be cutting my baby hairs, well, my adult hairs into baby hairs. So first I just take my Eco Styling Gel and flatten and press my hair down into my forehead, and I also use my edge brush. So yeah, I'm just getting into it, and I just go for it. Don't even think about it. Hair is hair to me, grow back, and plus I like, the shorter baby hairs. I did not cut off that much. You don't want to cut up too short too soon because you can't put that hair back on. So I just cut off a little at a time, and just be careful not to cut all your hair off, all your edges off. My son is in the background doing his own little thing. Yes, I'm just cutting, honey. Lord Jesus. I'm gonna brush it out some more, see what else I need to cut. I basically have no forehead. Like, my eyebrow touches my baby hair, like when I'm trying to swoop. So yeah. All my big head, not my big head girls, but my big forehead girls. y'all can probably keep more baby hair than I can because I have literally like no forehead. I got a little bit, but I ain't got a lot. So I swooped them with some True Edge, and they came out pretty okay. So I'm just going to take my scarf, tie it down. When you tie it down, it just melts. So now I'm going to get into doing my makeup. I used the Pro Concealer. I'll put all these products that I'm using in the link below. This shade is way too light for me, but it is what it is. I'll just use a flat brush and go along the outlines of my eyebrows. And when you saw me brushing my eyebrows, I was using gel. I used the Eco Styler Gel to mold and hold my eyebrows. Some women use soap, but I haven't tried that yet. But I might try that, because I feel like soap will give you a clean smell and it'll flatten your hairs out and straighten them. So, but yeah, I'm just doing the underline of my eyebrow. Usually I do the top part of my eyebrow, but I didn't do it in this video. I'm not going nowhere, so I just really didn't do a lot to my face. So I just spray my setting spray on my beauty blender and just blended all of that out. And like I said, it's way too light for my skin. Then I'm gonna get my powder and press that into my under eyes. This is too light for me too, but when I contour and everything, it just comes together. So I'm just doing my under eyes right now, my eyeliner. And you want to blend it out as much as possible. Here's my highlight. Highlight the tip of my nose, my cheeks, under my brows, and my cupid's bow. And so now I'm getting into it on my matte knitted eyelashes. I have a whole video I just put out, and the link is in the description box of that video. And so here you're gonna see me mess up. I've been doing liquid eyeliner for years, and I still messed up and messed around and got all this liquid eyeliner into my eye. It burned so bad. Yeah, here's me just placing the lash on. That's the best thing about these matte knitted eyelashes. Here's the hair company, Julia Hair, you feel me? The box is so pretty. Here's the hair. It came in a plastic bag. And then it also came with a headband and a wig cap. Here's the headband wig. And I didn't even know that headband was in there. So I got two headbands. And I'm just unpackaging the hair. It had a hairnet. Yeah, when you see me make that face, you already know what time it is. It stinks. The hair stinks and smells like chemicals. Yeah, no. So it has 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. And here's my baby hairs. I think I cut them pretty okay. They don't look bad. So I'm just gonna use the wig cap that came with it. And you can place this as far back as you want to or as far up as you want to. And you put the comb in the back into your hair, and you can also put the comb in the front into the, the braid and the wig cap so it can be secure. I'm gonna flip my head over secure the strap in the back. Here's the hair dry with no product. It's very pretty. And now I'm going to add some Cantu coconut curling cream along with some Eco Styling gel. Mix those together on my hand to see if they mix well. No flaking, so I'm just going to apply that and spray some water. And here's the hair wet with just water on it. And now I'm going to apply my product, the curling cream and the Eco Styling gel. And let me tell you, I put entirely too much product on this hair. Like, it was stiff and straight when I got done putting all the product up there. Like, less is more, less is more. Y'all don't need that much product. It just takes hours to dry, but the dry results came out so pretty. So I'm just gonna wet it up a little bit more, try to get my curls back, because that product definitely weighed the hair down. But the curls came out, they came out cute. So here's the wet product look. And now it's time to apply some headbands. Whoever making these headbands, I know they're getting some money. Like, they getting to the bag, they securing the bag, because these headband wigs are in high demand because of the lace shortage. So I know whoever making them, they getting that bread. But yeah, you can flip the headband in half, or you know, you can make it as wide as you want to, or as skinny as you want to, you know. You can put it over your ears, like above your ears, whatever you want to do. This hair is so pretty, and then when it dried, it was even more beautiful. And right here, my wig was sliding back, so I just stuck the teeth of the wig into my hair so it won't move. And here is the second headband. It was kind of like a double headband. And that cheetah print was everything. And I'm gonna continue to play with my hair until it comes back to life, because like I said, I put way too much product. Like this video if y'all think my edges came out cute or whatever. I was feeling myself, not even gonna lie. Hair ain't even dried yet, feeling myself. So I'm just gonna continue scrunching my hair and spraying water and trying to get it to, you know, get the curlish popping back. Alright, y'all, let me know how y'all like this hair, this style, this headband wig. It took me about 5 minutes to apply and like put on and put my headband on. Easy, easy, easy. Y'all subscribe and show me some love below.